helping you with this startup. So like we just talked about, you're going to have to highlight this quote right here from Steve Jobs. We all know who Steve Jobs is now. You're going to copy it, and then you're going to go ahead and go to your Word document. Remember, your Word document should have that green accent border around the edges. I think it's green accent 6, darker 25%. It should be a 3-point width. Click OK, and now we're good. Then go ahead, paste the quote. Edmodo then says, you will then perform a find and replace to change the word tiger into the word them. However, you must make sure the word them is bolded, has the font color blue accent 1, darker 50%, and set to a font size of 14. So what you're going to do is, if you only want certain information, certain text to be replaced with words, because obviously there could be a lot of tigers in the document, you don't want all of them to be changed to the word them, so you have to highlight what you want to be changed. So what you're then going to do is go to the Home tab, you have Find, you have Replace, and you have Select. Now the Find key is only going to pull up stuff you want to find, words you want to find. It's not going to replace anything. If you go to the Replace tab, it actually does both of it for you. It finds a word and then it replaces it. So what you're going to do here is, it says find what? We'll find the word tiger and replace with what? The word them. Now how can I make this turn to bolded, blue accent 1, and then a font size of 14? We can do that all in one step. What you have to do is click on More, and then this little drop down pulls up. Again, your options that you're looking for still aren't here, so what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to click on Format, and you have to click on Font. Once you go to Font, you have the Font tab right here and the Advanced tab. It talks about scale, spacing, position. Your practice geometrics test may walk you through more of these, however, I'm just going to get you started with it. So we have our font right here. I want it bolded. You can see my preview of the word them right down here. I want the size of it to be to 14. You can see it grow. And then finally, the font color, I want that, I believe, blue accent 1, darker 50%. So you can see right there, that's exactly the way I want my word them to look after the replace has taken over. Click on OK. You can see now, underneath the formatting sections, font 14 point, bold, font color, accent 1. So it tells me everything that's going to happen to this word after I click replace or replace all. Now you're always going to want to click replace all, just because you only have that text highlighted, so you should be fine. We made 5 replacements in this selection. Do you want to search the rest? No. And then you can go ahead and close it, and you are all set with that. So now you can see it changed the color of the whole thing. That's okay. But all your words them have also been changed. So now you are all set with your document, and your quote is now complete and makes sense. Hopefully this helps.